Hi everybody, we are Team Minions and we are proposing a design for multi-purpose bed for the course ID 401. Pair of students finds it inconvenient to stay in a single room. One of the major issues is the limited use of hostel room infrastructure. Typical IIT room dimensions are 3.6 meter into 2.2 meter, which is smaller than required. So students tend to put their belongings here and there in the room. And also single cupboard is shared by 2 students, which is not sufficient. Due to lack of space for study table in the room, people tend to use their laptops on their beds in improper sitting posture, which might cause them back pain. Current design of room furniture is such that it cannot accommodate all the belongings of most of the students, which makes them to put their baggages on the floor, and thus room gets more congested. We aim to improve the design of room furniture that must provide better sitting posture, storage space and convenience while using electronic devices. We ideated several designs for multiple sitting postures and then concluded the design with interchangeability between bed and chair. We started working on the proposed design of the bed and came up with a complementary idea of foldable study table attached to the wall. We scaled down dimensions of the room roughly by the factor of 8 for our prototype, which we made using cardboard and stationery items. This is the final crafted prototype of our proposed design of room furniture, which consists of interchangeable bed and foldable study table. There are 2 folds along the length of the bed, which can be set at different angles using these 2 hinges. To use the bed for sleeping, one has to use the second hole of lower fold, which will keep the lower fold horizontal. This bed can also be used as a recliner using first holes of both the folds, which will give back as well as leg support. As our major stakeholders are students, so it should give better sitting posture while studying also. For that, this bed can be converted into chair by using second hole of upper fold and by allowing lower fold to be vertical. If someone wants to use table while sitting on the bed turned into chair, one just has to unlock and unfold it, and the panel can be moved horizontally as per the convenience. This foldable table can be used to put books or laptops for studying. At the end of the day, everyone has to sleep. For that, you just need to fold it back into the bed as it was shown earlier.
Multi-purpose bed really excited me actually. I'm a kind of guy who always do everything on bed itself. So be it learning or sleeping, if you want to study or if you want to watch a movie, everything you can do with this multi-purpose bed. So I think this is a good concept.
The prototype designed by my friends, which is a multi-purpose bed. This is quite useful to the present living conditions of IIT Bombay students, where we have very small place which we can do multi-purpose thing like during while studying and using laptop and other things which we do regularly. So I think this is a quite good idea. So all the best to this idea.